Good morning, everyone. This is my vlog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Time check. 4:10. And the weather for today is about 17. So, hindi malamig, everyone. Dahil naka-proper ako na sa Today is Thursday, 18th of September. So, ayan lang, everyone. See you later after one bus. And I think 12. Yeah. 30 to 35 minutes ang travel. So, see you when I see you, everyone. See you after 5 hours. Bye! Good morning. Nagre-reflect yung aking salamin. Good morning, everyone. Isang araw na lang. At ay off na. Ayan o. Ang aming school campus. Madilim. Madilim na madilim. Dahil winter na. Daming event ngayon ah. Yun mo sis, mga advance. Masyado sila dito nag-aano sa Huxley, no? Masyado yung pa-event nila. More on dyan. Good morning. Kain tayo breakfast time. Ako lang nauna dito. Early bird. Good morning, everyone. Time check, 9:19. I'll take past 9. Going to my sweet everyone. Grabe ang init heating dito. Ang lakas ng heating. So, yan. Dito ako sa likod. Yan. Sa likod, nakaupo. Ay, grabe. Puno ang train. Alas 12 na puno pa rin. Sakay tayo, everyone. Ayan, everyone. Uwi na tayo, everyone. Time check. It's 12:42. So, ayan. 12:42. Haggardless, everyone. So, dumaan na lang ako dyan sa fish and chips kasi baktot na naman ako ng napadaan ako sa IKEA, everyone. Haggard, sabok. Oh, grabe yung buko. Hmm. Ay, mahangin kasi dito sa labas everyone. Kaya, ayan ayan, uwian time. It's uwian time everyone. Oh, ganon. Pero masarap maginhawa pag mahangin. Kaya lang, siyempre, alam niyo na. Ayan, oh, malalaki ang bahay dito. Pero akala nyo, isa lang ang nakatira. Yung, kumbaga, isang pamilya. No, hindi. Kwarto-kwarto lang din. Pinapaupahan yan. O, diba? Business, alam nyo na. So, kahit saan ka madaroon, laging kaakibat ang business. Yeah. Kain tayo everyone. Dito na lang ako sa bahay kumain kasi mabilis lang. While watching Bente Boy everyone. Time check. 3:27 everyone. Pasok tayo. Kapang hapon hanggang gabi. And medyo mainit. Kaya hindi ako nagsombrero. Tapos yan. Dahil walang hangin everyone. Hindi kayo mahangin. So, see you later. After 2 trains, after 6 hours. Kaya at the moment, my first train is here, everyone. This station is for my favorite seat, everyone. Second train, everyone.
The gap between the train and the platform.
This is Finchley Road. This is a Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate. The next station is Baker Street.
Way out, everyone. Way out, everyone. Okay. Last stop. Going to board. Time check, 16:07. Early ako ng 5 minutes. So, see you after 5 or 6 hours, everyone.
Those of you that are asking about the Uxbridge train, The train on platform
Thank you.
2 will be the next service to leave, which will be a Metropolitan line service going to Uxbridge.
Dito na ulit ako everyone. Sa 5 minutes walk going to David Games, everyone. Grabe everyone, ang hangin dito. Malakas oh. Ako. Ano ako sa hangin. Nahilo. Hilo-hilo sa hangin. So, ayan yung boarding house. The boarding house of the David Games students. Very good. So, it she was looking for.
This is the semi-fast Metropolitan line train to Watford. The next station is Liverpool Street.
2002 everyone. So, just arrived. Second train everyone. Oh, it's full. Not really.
This is Watford service on Metropolitan line.
Time check. "8:36 everyone. Just walking by. Going home everyone. Ayan. Oh, madilim na. Madilim na, madilim. Gabi na talaga. And winter. See you on my dinner. Everyone. Payat the moment. Kain tayo everyone. Good evening by watching Tanggol. Binigyan ako ni Gerson, shout out ng pagkain. Kasi sayang yung kanin ko. Si Irma na ang nagluto.